How you doing? I am a third-generation automated sequencer, and I can read DNA in a matter of hours, read a whole genome. I've displaced those old machines. You know, they used PCR, fluorescence, and now I just use carbon nanotubes. And you know what? As the DNA slides right through my carbon nanotubes, I've got a little slit. And you know what? Right there, I read the charge, and those charges allow me to decipher the different base pairs. And you know what's so great? I make physicians' jobs a lot easier, because now they can detect stuff that they never would have been able to detect just a few years ago. And I created a whole new industry for a lot of folks from a whole bunch of different disciplines. But you know what? I'm actually just a prototype. We're still presently using that second generation sequencing technology, which is really good, which currently allows us to sequence a whole human genome in a matter of days. But you know what? That'll be short-lived, because I'm just around the corner. Thank you.
STD is sexually transmitted diseases. I want you guys to hear me well. Sexually transmitted diseases. It is very important to discuss the awareness of STDs in our society. We have resources and information to care for our lives and our well-being. This disease is it's raging war mostly among the teens because of their carefree attitude. Now, the causes of STD is an infectious disease transmitted during sexual exposure through semen, blood, and bloody fluid. STD is caused by bacteria called protozoa with other small organisms, which can be cured and cannot be cured, which can be cured by antibiotics, and in some types cannot be cured.
Well, before you get AIDS, you get HIV. That's the first stage. And I would like you guys to know the signs and symptoms of HIV. First, you will think you have a flu. Body aches, headaches, fever, chills, night sweats, you name it. Generalized weakness. But darling, don't be fooled with that. It may be the big high five. That is what we call it at times. High five. HIV for 5. Okay? Anyhow, after those signs and symptoms, there's an incubation period of about 6 months. After that, you can convert it over to the AIDS, which is very serious.
Keep it short. Basically, just say no. Abstinence. Safe sex all the time. Use IV clean needles if you gotta use them. Female condoms, dental dams. Guys are not familiar with that? Pamela knows about that. Blood transfusions is something you can't control. But latex condoms, all the time. Okay?
Oil-based condom.
Not the oil-based or the sheepskins and latex condoms.
Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about you and me. You gotta wrap it up, baby. Every